Hey designer enthusiast, welcome back to PPP Designer. Today we are diving into the world of UI component library that are supercharge your design projects, and also it's a big help for developers as well in your team, whether you are working in a company or in a startup or you are working in a small scale business sector where you have a designer and you have few developers. So we will be explore some of the best platform out there, including the names I am not gonna say, so you have to watch complete video, whether you are looking to streamline your workflow or add some extra polish to your designs. These tools have got you covered, all of them. So grab your coffee, settle down, and let's get started. So let's start with the first website in front of us. It's a beautiful website which is very much helpful for the component section, as well as it will help our designers and developers in any corporate or startup company they are working. So this is the main landing page where you can see the library of framework users gonna use from this particular website is AngularJS, Angular 2 plus, React, and Vue. These are the major library they are using to showcase the different variety of components and resources this website is providing for the users. And you can see, you can just hovering in any single component, you can see the JS web component, Vue.js, React, AngularJS, Angular 2.2, and CSS code is definitely available for any single component available over here. You can switch into theme preset, older theme, default, or you can customize platform as per the user convenience, iOS or Android. Categories contains lot of different sections: alert dialog, buttons, card, checkboxes, fab list, model, notification, popover, progress bar, every single list, but not all having acquired by this company, but the major sections in has been highlighted. If you go to range, you can just get the range code. By clicking on this, you can get the CSS code of this particular range section. Material range, notification also, notification alert, as you have seen in different apps or different website. The counter shows in the top right corner or top left corner, wherever it is present. You can highlight that particular part with number system with a red background. The user can easily take this code and implement in his or her own project. Notification bar, toolbar items, everything. I think this is for particularly for mobile phones. If you can this switches, toggle switches, you can implement in your mobile phone as well as in your website, right? So these are the variety of things Onsen UI provides to our users. The user may be a designer, maybe a developer, right? So you can deep dive into this particular website and see whatever is convenient for you guys, and you can just check out each and every component listing. Maybe few of them you can get the old school design. Specifically, I don't like few of them, like this one. I don't like the look of the burger icon, top bar, and the heart icon. I can just need to modify according to that. Like user can whatever the company based out of, they can implement their brand color and proceed with it further. Button having variations: primary and disabled button, outline button, light button, everything is present. So not all, but everything, right? So let's jump to the next one. AceTernity UI, AceTernity UI. Maybe I'm spelling it wrongly, but you can correct me out. So this particular website, I have already make a video in this in the previous I think earlier stage, but this is a dedicated video explaining every single detail. If you go to the home page, you can see beautifully landing page designed, and these are the, I think, founders, product managers. Yes, they are working over here, and this is a particular working company, kind of say, you can say. They create variety of components which literally so attractive looking and so intuitive. You can see this particular card, how by hovering the light glarance coming in the card from top left to bottom right, By hovering in this particular card, you can see the user name highlighting, Manu Arora. Yes. So you can see this is a keyboard. You can just, while hovering, you can see the animations. Everything is available over here. I will just let's go deep down into deep down inside this particular thing. Let's see what are available in the component section. Okay, install Next.js, install Tailwind CSS, add utilities, CLI. Okay, we are not diving into these things, but it is very much friendly for the developers. They can understand all these things. If you are seeing this video, do subscribe. If you want further videos regarding any development applications or any development websites, I'm gonna keep on touch with you and make those videos very soon for you. All components, 3D cards. By clicking on 3D card effect, you can see the preview of this. Yes, by hovering, you can see the big like the backgrounds, the elements get separated from the background, and it act according to my mouse scrolling. Click on the code, you can get the code easily. Just copy, yes, just copy it and paste it wherever you want. Similarly, they have props. Okay, wow, they have also props, card contents, and card body, card items. Maybe this is much more understanding and helpful for the developers. So let's jump to another one, 3D pin. Yes, wow, this particular thing you can use in your mobile app or any website for the to read to identify the particular not particular, to identify a location kind of thing. This highlights very well. I feel like this is kind of, if you are located over here, if my warehouse is located, I am making a dashboard which is highlight different warehouses present in my city or present in this particular state. By hovering in the card, I can identify where is my warehouse, right? That's look cool. Instead of this particular image, I can implement a complete map of my country, right? So this is quite great design components which is normally not available in different platforms, but these guys are nailed it with all these unique viewing component for your dashboard. So you can see if this particular thing is present in my hero section of my navigation bar, not navigation bar, hero section of my website, then definitely I will spend a lot more of the time. Not me, users gonna spend a lot more time to spectate and play around this beautifully arranged color palettes by hovering their mouse. That's a cool idea for your hero section. I gave you idea, so don't forget to subscribe. Background gradient also a cool idea. You have seen nowadays people making videos regarding the buttons having different background gradient available as per their convenience. You can play around with your brand color or different gradient system to highlight a specific button in your dashboard. That can be a call to action button for any specific reason. That can be buy now or something like that, or let's jump into AI world, something like that, crazy stuff, right? You can see the bento grade. This is earlier use case in mainly you can understand this bento grade system. I have seen few videos. Apple is most probably using, not probably, Apple is using in his own product launch. So bento grade is a beautifully card arrangement system according to your preference. If you have a long format of landscape photo with a description, you can use this. And if you have a short card with an image or any pictorial format, you can use this. 2 to 3 variety, they have done 2 varieties over here. By hovering, the card gets pop up with a beautifully slightly light shadow that helps to identify, yeah, you are hovering this particular card. So these are all the component set, which is they are keep on updating. You can see the new tag is available over here. They are keep on updating every single time. Maybe they took few days or few months, but they are keep on updating. You can check the pricing and access to this AceTernity UI and do your beautiful work for the future. Let's jump to the next video. Chakra is the third website where you can access the app elements or website elements to do your work as fast as you can. So if I want a circular progress bar, I can click over here. I can get the code, which is very easily available over here, right? And I can use this particular code in my upcoming project, and it's good to go. There is execute CTA in present in this particular console. Code viewing bar, you can say. Yeah, you can just copy it out and use it in your further videos. Not videos, sorry, I am making the video, then you have to code, right? So yes, so if you jump to let's go back and see what else they are providing. The components, styled system, okay, cool. Gradient, APIs, I think they are also providing the APIs also that can helpful for any developers to implement. They also have a Figma UI kit. Maybe this is a plugin. Yes, maybe this is a plugin. You can use this plugin in your Figma app and proceed with those beautifully designed elements. And don't forget to share it to your developers. If you are a designer in a company, definitely let your developer know about this. Import these components, not components, import this code and use it. Like yeah, let's scroll down and see for what this is. I think this is for drawer. This is particular the drawer I have access. Yes, this is the app drawer kind of say. By hovering on the left bar, something like here, you can see this drawer coming out from right to the left side. Yeah, all those icons, images, avatar, data displays, batches, card, code. Also you have few websites who generate codes. In that case you also can use this particular kind of view. States like data view in a data oriented website. And tags specifically we use in multiple stages to identify in tables also. Dashboard, in dashboard we use tables. In table format we implement this type of things. Yeah, skip to continue button, skip nav or stepper, like step navigation bar, we can say this one. These are all variety of components they are providing, and they may be keep on updating in a duration, but you can get in touch with them. Chakra is the website name. Let's jump into the next one. Built UI. This is another tool which helpful for your upcoming project. Let me say you how. Because they provide you a beautifully designed website where you can learn every single precise elements, creating an entire flow with a 22.49 second of video. So you can easily see these videos and implement as per your convenience. If you are logged, because they didn't sponsor my video, so but this is logged. If you want to see, you have to pay some amount, right? For that, let me show you how it works. If you click on this, you have to buy now this video, right? They have an entire section from one zip and app with remix. The entire section till 16.14 minutes. There are a lot of videos piled up over here. After getting subscription, the subscription is a little bit expensive, but I feel it is worth it. Built UI is a great platform to learn every single phases of development. Customize the error page, customize the public UI, security our app. Every single things are mentioned over here. Data fetching and React server components also. They have highlighted and done a great video. I think that the thumbnail looks so intuitive that can helpful for developers only. Designers, I don't think designers need this particular platform, but developers definitely have a look. They have podcast, post. If you go to podcast, yes, they have beautiful podcast. They describe and explain something. They are the great developers available in throughout, like globally present UI developers. Yes, you can see. So this is one of the website which is not helpful that much for the designers, but majorly helpful for the developers. Yes, let's jump into the next one. I hope next website you know it's a popular one, Tailwind UI. This highlights so beautifully crafted design UI elements for your upcoming projects. Without wasting any time, I will not go down to show you the entire landing page, but I showed you. But let's browse the components. What are the components they are providing for designing or for development purpose, right? 500 plus components highlighted in the top. React, Vue and HTML, fully responsive component they are providing. If you want a hero section or a featured section, every single A to Z element available over here. Majorly A to Z, maybe few of them are missing, but for now I am explaining it A to Z. If you select on hero section, you can see preview is also present, so beautifully done. And if you jump to the code, this particular preview can convert it to code, and you can drag, copy, not need to drag, just Control A or Command A or Control A as per your Mac or Windows, not this. But I just click over here. There is no tooltip, guys. Tailwind, guys, kindly have some tooltip over here. If it's yes, after clicking I will get it copied. Yes, you can copy it over here. So let's see the preview. Very simple, minimally designed landing page, hero section, where you can easily copy the code and place it on your project work, whatever you are working on. Let's see what they are providing. Pricing section, header section, states. 10 components are there of states. Hero section having 12 components, 12 different hero sections they are highlighting. Team section, FAQ section having 10 different variety. Logo clouds, content section, like the blog part, I think. Content is also, blog is over here. Maybe blog section in the card. After clicking on this, you can jump up into the content part. Yes. Footer section, elements they are highlighting, feedbacks, page examples, application UI also they are providing. If your dashboard contains some layout which having some functionality best out of it, there is no specify example. If you have any tool related website, this can help you out. A stacked layout, slide bar layout, multi-column layout, headline, also having page header, card headlines, headings, section headings, data display, list, every single thing. If you are logged, but maybe you have to pay some amount to get the access. There is no amount highlighting over here. Maybe you have to get the code. Yes, there is. They have not highlighted the price in the top. That is a very smart move they have done. Few components they have logged and they given a particular amount. This is the amount in INR. Maybe the amount doesn't vary much. You can get the HTML, React and Vue code access after that of lot of logged component they are providing. They are keep on updating every single component set. If there is a 10 card component, in further future you can see maybe jump up to 12 or 20, right? They keep on updating all those things. This is the beautifully designed Tailwind UI component library. You can use for best, have a look for the designers too as well as developers. Let's jump into the next one. Next one is also a popular one, Radix. Every developers have aware of it. If you are not, then please let me know in the comment section below. This particular website contains similar way of representation, themes and their codes. If we click on this, there is beautifully done a lower bar where while clicking I can get different screen views. Let's get started. Yes, theme contains variety of overview, color, dark mode. Layout contains few things, and overview contains styling, layout, release, resources. So let's see overview. Okay, styling contains different type of typography and color layout. Similarly, layout contains the box arrangement, grid arrangement or flex arrangement. Not going so deep. Release, beta, update kind of thing. checkboxes. I am not aware of this, so let's skip. Theme, in theme you can just see the anatomy, the equalizer, sound equalizer code is available here. This particular view you can access by this particular code. Variant, they have some variant. Get started, I don't know. Okay, these are the CTS. Okay, these are the CTS, different type of CTS. You can copy the code, you can implement this different variety of highlighted, secondary, tertiary kind of CTA. Yes, and they have colors also. If you don't have any component set done by your developers in your company, do approach them and explain them you need a component set. You would need a different variety of components. If you don't have any design system, kindly create those design system by yourself as a designer, then approach to your developer to make a component set, like a design system in their development, in their coding language. Okay, they will make different color palettes, they have different shades of gray, different shades of blue, whatever you can use. That will helpful for the organization in one go. That takes a much longer time to implement, but once it's done, whoever comes in the next phase, if you are not working over there anymore, you are jumping to the next company, the new person, new designer or new developer comes into their place, they can easily also change those colors and also change the button elements in just few clicks. They don't have to work so hard to dignify or define each and every element, or they don't have to do hard code specifically. Okay, so typography, shadows, different type of shadows. I can't able to see the shadows, maybe I'm in dark mode. Yes, now I can see the shadows. Cursor, boxes, this is a different way of representation. I felt this is one of the cleanest website where you can easily see few elements available as a free source, right? Next, and the last but not in the list, Magic UI. This particular website contains UI library of design engineers, like UI engineers you can say. Let's see. Okay, wow, the website, it looks good, I like it. Okay, browse into the components. Getting started, templates and components. We don't have any work in this portfolio and getting started. Let's jump into the component, because I am here to show you different components and how those websites are present in our Google, right? Present in Google to represent different variety of component set, which is helpful for our designers as well as developers. So hero video dialog is one of the coolest feature. You have seen few website while hovering in the hero section, they pre-play the video, as I have shown you in Bento, not Bento, I think over here, nope, yes, build.ui having this like this, the background video is playing over here. Similarly, that look, or you can implement or add some videos present in your website, right? You can showcase them to the users. This is one of the best way. By clicking on the code, you can get the particular code to place that way of representation of video in your hero section or your hero video, you can say. Similarly, device mockup also available. Safari. Okay, this is one beautiful. In your website, you can also implement a designed mockup of Safari or iPhone 15. They don't have Android, I don't know why, but it's fine, they have 15 Pro, they have not updated to 16.1. Animation beams, yeah, this is what is interesting. Like you can see animated beams, the beams are coming. Yes. Oh, animated shiny text, this is very much helpful. I think I can use this type of things. I will definitely say to my developer, shiny text that should look more clickable. Some text doesn't contain a background, okay, that are the, I think, the last clickable text where view more, view less kind of things, there we can use this. Oh wow, this is a gradient, animated gradient text, cool. These are the beautiful way of, you can use it in gamification in our APK file or on your iOS app, wherever you can. Okay, cool. So that's it for the today video, and I hope you like this. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into this fantastic UI component library. I hope you found these insights helpful and are ready to incorporate this powerful tool into your own or upcoming projects. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Triple P Designer and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below with your favorite UI library or any questions you might have. Keep designing and stay inspired. Bye bye.